Check out this Ford 2016 Fusion SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, heated front seats, seat heated driver, power seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rear backup camera, remote vehicle start and AM/FM CD player iPod capability. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.